Hello, everybody. How are you tonight? I am coming to you from my car. I am not driving. I am stopped in a parking lot, but I am on my way to a networking meeting. And you know me, I don't have a lot of time to sit around and do live chats with all of you, but I try to get on when I can. And so you get me when you get me. If you don't know me, I am Melissa Christensen with Bumble Baby Mommy, and if this is the first time you are watching this video, be sure and drop new down in the comments. Now, I want to tell you something that is going to grow your business. It does not matter what business you are in. I say this all the time. It does not matter what you are doing, but this is how you do it. To grow your business, people have to know the real you. They have to like you. If they don't like you, it's okay. Let them go. Move along. There are more places to shop. There are more people to buy from. There are more friends to be had. But to get people to buy from you, no matter what your business is, no matter what you're selling, whether it's houses like I do in the daytime, or I've got a side business that's making money too, does not matter what it is. They need to know you. They need to know the real you, which is why you get me, you guys, with my hair in crazy waves. You can't really see it right now, but no makeup, on my way to a networking event. This is me. This is what you get. You get me. This is who I really am. I am going to assume that everyone is making dinner right now. I don't see anyone watching this, so you are all going to hit replay when you watch this later, because I know that you will watch it. I know that you like to see what I am saying, and I know that if you don't, you've already hidden me and you've moved on with your life, and I don't care. That's fine. Anyway, that is your tip for the day. Be yourself. Be the real you. If you are the kind of person who puts on all their makeup before they even leave the house, then do that for your video. If you're not, we don't care. We want to know what the real you looks like. So I need to be going because it's time for my event. But you guys have a great night, and I will chat with you later. All right, bye.